Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know what to title this. I just was going to share this. You know, a lot of y'all know, and some of y'all don't if you're new to my channel. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and we have several groups, or I'm in a couple of groups on, and then in Facebook, in the groups, we do challenges, okay, like card challenges, and you don't have to do them, but I like to participate in them. And as you know, if you watch my channel, you see me get the paper pumpkin boxes, and I do alternatives. I show you how to make alternatives, because if you get the paper pumpkin box, I don't really have to show you how to make the cards out of the paper pumpkin box. I mean, they're very simple. A little child can make the cards out of the paper pumpkin box. One, there's a video that Paper Pumpkin puts out that'll show you simple. Two, the instructions on it are pictured 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, exactly what to do. They're so simple. That's why I said a child can follow the pictures and put these together. They've made it so simple now. If you've ever done the paper pumpkin in the past and have not done it recently, come back to Paper Pumpkin and try it out. Even Stampin' Up now has these kits, and they're just like it. The only difference is in every Stampin' Up kit, they do carry the little clear block now. That is if there is ink, you know, because some of them, like I've got one kit that I got, you don't have to do any stamping. So if you don't like stamping, look for a kit like that in the Stampin' Up kits. There are kits that you don't have to do any stamping. The stamping's already been done for you. It's like ephemera. You just punch it out, stick it on a card or a project or whatever you want to do, and it's done for you. It's the easiest cards in the world to make. I'm telling you, even if you don't like making cards, you're not a card maker or whatever, I guarantee you can make a card with this kit. I will have to show you again. I've got a video on that card kit. I showed it to you. So go back in my videos, you'll find it. But I guess I'll have to bring it out and make a couple of cards. But I bought it to actually show you other things to make with this kit for people that, you know, want to do something more with it. Because like I said, if you get the kit, it's just so easy to do. Anyway, back to what I came on here for, because I'm like mumbling and chit-chatting here so much. We, as a demonstrator, if you become a demonstrator, you have an opportunity to do lots of things besides the discounts and, you know, and everything. There's just so many opportunities at being a demonstrator. You know, I love being a demonstrator. I really do. It's so much fun, and you meet so many people, and it's like a little family. It's just I just can't express how much fun I've had the last couple of years of being a demonstrator. So you get a chance to win prizes and all that little things. And I won the Paper Pumpkin Challenge. And they don't judge you by how your card looks or anything. It's a drawing, okay? Just like the challenges that, you know, they hold on YouTube. You know, when you send in your, you know, all these challenges we have on YouTube. When people do the challenges, and we send in stuff, and then they put in everybody's name and they draw or something like that. They don't judge by the people's challenges that they sent in. Yeah, it's a drawing. That's how we did the card challenges. Anyway, I sent in 4, put them on the Facebook group, and of course mine was picked, was drawn. this time. And it was the paper pumpkin alternative. So I was real happy mine got drawn. So I won, and I got to win this, and she made a little thing on it. And this was in Lori Healing's We Stamp group, actually. And I kind of hate to take the little thing off. But I wanted to show you, these are the new, and I'm glad I got these because I haven't even bought these yet. So I've gotten where I don't buy little embellishments so much because I have an opportunity that I can win them now, because that's what they usually send out, because it's easy mailing. So these are the new 2020-2022 in colors square gems. Aren't they cute? And those are all the new in colors right there for 2020 and 2022. So they're let's see if I can remember the colors. Give me a second. Oh my goodness, I think I forgot them. Hold on. Let's see. I think I may have them here. Are they here? Oh, come on. I know these colors. Give me a second. I'll tell you what they are. I got them in the markers. I know the colors. Let's see if I can read them. Yeah, that's cinnamon cider. I think that's like bumblebee, that yellow one. Let me see. I just went blank all of a sudden. Yeah, bumblebee. I was right. That's bumblebee. The pink is, what is that pink? Magenta Madness. That's right. Magenta Madness. I was learning the new ones, and now I can't even remember these. Misty Moonlight. And I think that's Just Jade. Yep, that's Just Jade. I remember that. Just Jade. I don't know why I went blank on those. Alright, so that is what those are. And like I said, I'm really glad I got those, because I didn't have any of those. And even if I did, I would have been glad to get more. And then she made a lovely card. Isn't that beautiful? And my favorite color. But look at this. This is a Stampin' Up card. Look at the layering. Isn't that pretty? She's real good with all the layering. That is beautiful. And of course, she didn't sign it inside. And I'm going to have to get me some of these. It says, a little hello from me to you. Feel free to send it to someone new. And we do this now to pass it forward. That's the big thing about cards now, that all of us Stampin' Up demonstrators do, that we just leave them blank for other people to use and pass it forward. So if you ever get a card from me and I haven't signed it, it's so that you can use it and pass it forward. So just if you ever wonder why, I'd like to get me some of these right here. And because usually I might stick a little sticky note in it, or give you a little note or something and write in it, and then just sign the note. But I like that right there. I'll have to see about getting some of these. But yep, that was my prize, and I was real pleased that I won, because it's been a while since I won off a We Stamp. And I think I did win off of our Beauty and the Stampers little class a while back, and I don't think I shared that, but I won some 2 packs of embellishments for 2 different things, and I don't know if I ever showed that, but I may have, because I won these, and that was for like in a class challenge though, so I had won those. But that's all I wanted to share. So and then just to remind y'all that if y'all are interested, check out Stampin' Up right now, and you can sign up under me, because it's $75 right now to sign up instead of the $99 to be a demonstrator. You can sign up under me, and be a part of our group, the Stampin' Beauties. And you know, Jean is my upline, and she's Beauty and the Stamper, if you know her on YouTube. And we just have a wonderful time, and you get like a 20% discount with Stampin' Up, and of course that even goes up to 25%, you know. There's just so much I could tell you about it, you know. So if you want to know, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you want to know any more about it, you know, just let me know, you know, and ask me any questions. But that does go until the 30th, and after the 30th it'll go back up to the $99. This is the lowest they've ever had it, so we were just tickled pink to know they were actually lowering it. They do different, you know, deals and everything, but they've never lowered it like this. So, and you still get to pick out $125 worth of supplies of your choice. So, I mean, it's a bargain. Even if you do not want to sell, and it's still a bargain. So you can just, you know, get it as a, you know, the supplies, and you don't have to sell a thing. So don't think that, well, I'm not a seller, I don't want to sell, I don't have the time. You know, you don't have to sell like I do. You can just do it and be a hobbyist, you know, still do what you're doing and just get the deal, the great deal. So just let me know if you're interested. So anyway, I thank y'all for watching, and just let me know if you are interested in that. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please share my videos. It does help me, helps me on YouTube. And comment down below if you are interested. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell for all notifications, and that way you'll be notified when I make new videos. So with that being said, I will say take care and have a blessed day, and see you soon in the next one.